Ozzy, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Sebastian. Sebastian has been trading with us from the 10th of February 2021 up until the present date of 9th of April 2021. Sebastian has maintained a daily rate of 0.17%, and this is the journey of Sebastian. Sebastian has been trading quite a few pairs. We can see Sebastian's been more consistent with the pound Japanese yen and euro pound. These are the two main pairs, and the pound AUD. That's given Sebastian significant profit in terms of pips and dollars to get to the 10% level. Sebastian's not been that great with the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, the euro AUD, the euro NZD, and the pound CAD. So I'll recommend and I'll suggest to Sebastian, moving forward, if you could focus on the liquid pairs and focus on the pairs that you master very well, which is the pound yen and the euro pound, followed by the pound AUD. These are the best pairs from what I can see where you're more consistent. So focus on these pairs, choose the best time frame that will suit your needs, and more importantly, pay attention to the fundamental data that's due to be released. Ask yourself questions. Are you in the right mindset? Are you in the right psychological mindset as well? And try and put yourself in a position where you always have an advantage by taking low risk trades with high reward trades. Psychology is a very key thing in trading, and that is where you'll get your edge. So looking at the trades now and your advanced statistics, you've had a total of 192 trades. You've only won 89 out of 192, which represents 46%. And you've lost 103 out of 192, which shows 54%. So this is very unique. Sebastian is only 46% successful, but yet he still managed to go on to achieve 10% to go on to level 2. This is down to good money management, planning, and taking good trades. So in trading, you can be right or wrong, but still end up in profit. So Sebastian has actually achieved that. In February, 1.06%. In March, we have 5.27%. And in April, we have 3.54%. A total of 195 trades were taken. So looking at the average trade, we can see the lot sizes were a bit consistent, but I will tell you, and I'll always recommend Sebastian, always have a stop loss no matter what. You do have stop losses in places sometimes, and sometimes too, you're not using stop losses. This is a very dangerous way to trade, but more 9 out of 10 times you do use a stop loss, only the odd occasion you do not. So always have a stop loss in mind. It's very important. As much as you've got a stop loss as well, always have a take profit exit, because when you're trading the market, make sure you know your entry, your risk, and your exit. That way you control the trade. Market conditions will definitely be a factor to put into place as well. This will help you reduce your mistakes, and also try and dedicate time to practicing trading your strategy and when the market is closed, because this will give you an edge, because discipline and consistency is very important in following your plan down to the T. Your trading plan, the market sentiment, looking at price action patterns and candlestick patterns will definitely help you analyze the market properly to determine the optimum entry, the optimum exit, and the appropriate risk. So this is a very good attempt, and I would like to see some improvements on your account, because clearly you've got this right. You've had a little slow start, you've had more trades, but all the trades you've taken that are more, I will take this down to the lesson and to part to your learning curve. Take this as experience and use this experience now to go one step better when you're going to go on to level 2, level 3, which is 60,000. In your trading plan, include things like what time will you take the trade, how will you do your analysis, what pairs you're going to trade, what sort of strategies you like to use. the time frames that complement these strategies, and always make sure you have that psychology on point. And how you can increase your psychology and have that edge to have the right mindset is very simple if you follow some tips like trading what you understand, always using a stop loss as I mentioned before. Take small risks with high rewards and never trade when you're emotionally unstable. This would definitely help you achieve your goal. And like I said, this is a very good P&L. And looking at the summary of trades, um, we can definitely do better. And look at the pairs you need to trade and just focus on the three main pairs, the pound yen, pound AUD, and the other pair US is the euro pound. And Sebastian, I wish you all the best, and I believe you can be successful. At present, you haven't got any trades open, but you do have a few running. But please just pay attention to my notes. You can definitely be a successful trader. Not taking nothing negative away from what you've done. You've achieved 10%, and that is hard work. So this will give you the confidence now to improve on your mistakes, focus on what you do best, and I challenge you to do put the efforts and tips into place, and you'll be getting on to $60,000, and I'll be looking forward to reviewing your account in the future. And I wish you all the best.